Hello friends, welcome to yet another video on Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, I am covering your costing topic of technical syllabus in general stream. Friends, this technical syllabus is very much relevant for your exam as it covers 100 marks in phase 1 and is also having 2/3 weightage of phase 2 of your SEBI grade A exam. So friends, in continuation of our yesterday's lecture on lean system and innovation, let's move further and go through this topic. So friends, in yesterday's lecture we understood the concept of lean system. We also studied some techniques of lean system which includes just-in-time system, Kaizen costing and 5S. So let's begin today's lecture. So friends, the next technique under lean system is total productive maintenance. Friends, total productive maintenance is a method of maintaining and improving the integrity of production and quality system through machines, equipments, employees and supporting process. So friends, TPM basically helps in keeping all equipment in top working condition so as to avoid breakdowns and delay in manufacturing process. So friends, the TPM strategy focuses on 8 pillars of success with 5S strategy as foundation. So if we could recap 5S, that stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. That deals with basically to organize a workplace in a company. So friends, let's move on and study these 8 pillars of success of TPM. So the first pillar is autonomous maintenance. That means operation of equipment without breakdown and eliminating the defects at source through active employee participation. Friends, here techniques might include cleaning, lubricating, visual inspection, tightening of loosened bolts, etc. Next pillar is focused improvement or Kaizen. Friend, this pillar is about the minor improvements made on a continuous basis. This pillar aims to reduce losses in the workplace that affect efficiency. Friends, here technique might include maintaining Kaizen register, Kaizen summary sheet or performing YY analysis. Next pillar, friend, is planned maintenance. Friends, this is proper maintenance system adopted for improvement in reliability and maintainability of equipment. So it aims at zero breakdown and optimum maintenance cost. Friends, here technique might include preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance and other techniques to avoid any sudden breakdowns. Next pillar is early management. Friends, this pillar focuses on shortening the time required for product and equipment development. So friends, here techniques includes engineering and re-engineering processes. So friends, in the coming slides we will study business process re-engineering in detail. Next friend, the fifth pillar is quality maintenance. Friend, this pillar is towards achieving customer satisfaction through delivery of highest quality product. So friends, here technique might include root cause analysis, customer data analysis to further strengthen the reliability of customers on our business products. Friends, next pillar is education and training. So friend, it aims at to improve knowledge of skills and enhance morale of employees. So friend, it might include implementation of training calendar, policies for education and training, on-site training, etc. Friends, the seventh pillar is office TPM. So friend, this refers to the application of total productivity maintenance techniques in administration to improve productivity and efficiency in the functions with the elimination of losses. So friends, this might include analyzing process and procedures towards increased office automation. The last pillar is safety, health and environment. So friends, since above all the safety of worker is utmost important, so it aims at zero accidents and zero health damages. So here it might include promoting drama, safety slogans, quizzes, posters, that is to create awareness related to safety. Next we will study the performance measurement in TPM. So friends, the most important approach in the measurement of TPM is overall equipment effectiveness. That is to measure the identification of 6 big losses. So what are these 6 big losses? Let's go through them. So these includes equipment failure or breakdown, then that is setup or adjustment, then the third big loss is idling and minor stoppages, fourth big loss is reduced speed, while fifth is reduced yield and the last big loss is quality defects and reworks. So friends, these first 2 big loss is called time losses and are used to calculate availability of equipment. The next 2 losses are called speed losses and are used to calculate performance efficiency of the equipment, while the last two losses are quality losses. So if we multiply availability, performance and quality losses, we will get overall equipment efficiency percentage. So let's move on. Friends, next technique of lean system is cellular manufacturing. Friends, in cellular manufacturing, equipment and workstations are arranged in a sequence that supports a smooth flow of materials and components through the process with minimal transport or delay. So friends, each cell comprises of one or more machines which accomplish a certain task. Friends, the product moves from one cell to the next, each station completing part of the manufacturing process, and here workstation are U-shaped design. So friends, if we see in the images, we can see that the workstation here is organized in U-shape, and that will allow the supervisor to move less and have the ability to readily watch over the entire process. Now friends, let's go through and see the other benefits of cellular manufacturing. So the next benefit is smooth flow of work. So friends, here scattered processes are merged to form short focused paths in concentrated places based on logic. So friends, thus a cell will reduce flow time, flow distance, floor space, inventory handling and scheduling transactions, scrap and rework. So friends, the next benefit is better costing. Friends, cells lead to simplified higher validity costing since the cost of producing items are contained within the cell rather than scattered in distance. Friends, next benefit is facilitation of production and quality control. So friends, under cellular manufacturing, cells that are underperforming in either volume or quality can be easily isolated and targeted for improvement. Next benefit is faster solving of problems. So friends, the segmentation of the production processes allows problem to be easily located and it is more clear which parts are affected by the problem. So friends, this helps in faster identification and solving of problems. Next benefit is friends, it improves group cohesiveness. Friends, under cellular manufacturing, there are also a number of benefits for employees working in cellular manufacturing. The small cell structure improves group cohesiveness and scales the manufacturing process down to a more manageable level of workers. Next is motivated workers. Friends, workers here can more easily see problems or possible improvements within their own cell and tend to be more self-motivated to propose changes. So friends, next benefit is reduced overtime overheads cost. So friends, under cellular manufacturing, improvements are instigated by workers themselves and thus causes less and less need for management. So overtime overhead cost can be reduced. So friends, in next slide we will see the next technique of lean system, that is Six Sigma. So friend, Six Sigma is a quality control methodology reducing manufacturing defects to a level no more than 3.4 occurrences per million units, or events of getting things right 99.99996% of the time. So friends, the premises of Six Sigma is that by measuring defects in a process, a company can develop ways to eliminate them and practically achieve zero defects. Now we'll take an example of an Indian organization that has actually achieved Six Sigma level of quality. So friends, that company is the Mumbai Dabbawalas. So friends, in fact in 1998, Forbes Global magazine conducted quality assurance study on operation of Dabbawala and gave them Six Sigma efficiency rating of 99.999. That is, they have an error ratio of 1 in 1.6 crore tiffin. So friends, it's actually very amazing to see this army of 5,000 people dressed in white dhotis, white kurtas and white Gandhi topi moving all day along the roads of Mumbai to assist lakhs of people to enjoy fresh and healthy homemade food, that also with close to perfection level of strategy. So if you have time, you can go through the case study done on them by Harvard Business School. It will be very interesting. Moving on, next we will study the implementation of Six Sigma. So friends, there are two methodologies for the implementation of Six Sigma. The first one is DMAIC, that is design, measure, analyze, improve and control. So friend, this is used to improve existing business process, for example reducing the cycle time to process a patent, or reducing the number of errors in sales list, or improving search time for a critical information. Now friends, let's go and study DMAIC strategy in detail. So friends, the first component of DMAIC was define the problem, project goals and customer requirements. So friends, it includes defining who are our customer, what their requirements are for products and services, and what are their expectations. Then we have to also define project boundaries, the stop and start of process. Next step was measure the process to determine current performance. Friends, here it includes measuring the performance of the core business process involved, developing a data collection plan for process, and further we have to collect data from many sources to determine types of defects and matrices, and then compare it to customer survey results to determine shortfall. Next component was analyze. So friends, and it includes analyzing the process to determine root cause of variations and poor performance. So friends, here it includes collection of data and framing process map to determine root causes of defects and opportunities for improvement. Further, gaps are identified between current performance and goal performance. Next component of DMIC methodology was I, that is improve the process by addressing and eliminating the root causes. So friends, here it includes improving the target process by designing creative solutions to fix and prevent problems. So friends, then after developing and deploying the plan, we will have to control, which means to maintain the improved process and future process performance in optimum level. Now friends, let's move on and study the next methodology of implementation of Six Sigma, that is DMADV, which stands for define, measure, analyze, design and verify. So friends, DMADV methodology is used to develop new process or products at Six Sigma quality levels. Example would include adding a new service or creating a real-time system of tracking sales data or creating a multiple source customer-led lead tracking system. So friends, let's study the component of DMADV in detail. So the first component was define. So that means define the project goals and customer deliverables. So friends, it includes identifying the purpose of the project, process or service and what customer needs and requirement it will address. Next component is measure. So friends, that is to determine customer needs and specifications. So friends, here we have to measure and collect customer requirements, convert needs into technical requirements, gather current performance of existing products and services, and prioritize the requirements that needs the most attention. Next component is analyze. So friends, here it includes analyzing the process options to meet customer demand. So friends, here we have to identify the best long-term solution to address the key requirements through experimentation, simulation and analysis, along with risk in the design that should be considered. Next component is friends, design the process to meet customer needs. So friends, here a high level and detailed design is developed based on the information gathered in previous steps, and requirements are flowed down into each sub level of the product or service. The last step is to verify the design performance and ability to meet customer needs. So friends, here we have to do verification, and this is done as a part of validation to see that the design is acceptable to all stakeholders through pilot studies, trials, testing, and a transition plan is developed to move into the launch stage. So friends, in today's lecture we studied some techniques of lean system. First we studied total productivity maintenance, where we went through 8 pillars of success of TPM. Then we understood a concept of OEE, that is overall equipment effectiveness, which is an important approach for measurement of TPM. Then we studied cellular manufacturing, and in the end we studied one more technique of lean system, that is Six Sigma. Further, we also studied 2 methodologies for implementation of Six Sigma techniques. The first one is DMAIC, that is define, measure, analyze, improve and control. This is used for improving an existing process. The next one was DMADV, that is define, measure, analyze, then design and verify. This is used to develop a new process or product. So friends, we'll continue the topic tomorrow and cover the remaining part of your syllabus. So friends, for more practice of this topic in MCQ format, please visit financemcq.in, where we are presenting the entire SEBI grade A exam technical syllabus in MCQ format. We are presenting 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. Plus we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. Apart from these friends, we are presenting 25 national level test series for more and more practice. So please do visit financemcq.in and practice well for your technical syllabus. So that's all friends. See you all tomorrow with some more insight on this topic. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.